Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, dear students? This is me, Amara Noor, with another lecture. This is lecture 1 of week 3. Let's have a recap on previous lecture which we have learned in week 2. First concept is comparing numbers. For comparing numbers, we have 3 options: is equals to, greater than, and smaller than. Is equals to symbols is on your screen. When two numbers are equal, we use the equal sign. Like 2 is equal to 2. You will put the sign of equality between them, right? Next symbol. When one value is smaller than another, we can use the lesser sign. Like 3 number is smaller than 5, you will put a lesser sign. Next, greater sign. When one value is greater than another, you can use a greater sign. Like number 9 is greater than 6, you will put a sign of greater sign. Next topic, ascending or descending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Ordering the numbers from smallest to greatest is ascending order. You can see the sequence of trees. An example, 16, then 22, then 26, then I have written 30 because 30 is greater than 26. It will comes after 26. It was written after 26 and the last number is 35. Descending order, which means decreasing order. You may say that decreasing order. Ordering the numbers from largest to the smallest. See, look at the example. I have started the example from the bigger number and ended at the smaller number. And look at the sequence of the tree. It is started from the bigger tree and ended at the smallest tree. So that is the sequence of descending order. That is in the sequence of decreasing order, you may call it. Let's begin the today's topic. What is number pattern? Our today's topic is number pattern. Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. This pattern generally establish a common relationship between all numbers. In simple words, students, patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again, right? Again, I am repeating. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, numbers are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. You all must have seen the different kinds of pattern on your clothes, bed sheets, etc. Students, in this example, we get numbers in pattern by skip counting 5. Given are the steps to identify a number pattern. To solve problems of number pattern, first we need to find the rule being followed in the pattern. To find out the rule, students, we need to see the first few numbers in the series. Try to see the difference between consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers which comes continuously. It will help us understand the relation between the numbers. Friends, in this pattern or in this example, we see that every term in the sequence has grown or increased by 6, or the difference between two consecutive number is 6. So we can get the next term by adding 6 to the previous term. Students, that series started from number 11. When we add number 6 in 11, we get number 17. So we get the next term 17, and when we add 6 into 17 we get number 23, and so on. Students, in these slides you have to find the missing number in the number pattern. So that number pattern is started from number 4350, and the next number is 4450. Students, can you see that it is arranged in ascending order? Okay. Student, first you have to find the difference between two consecutive numbers. So here is the difference of number 100. So when we add 100 into 4350, we get the next series, that is 4450. When we add 100 in the previous number, we get the next term, that is 4550. When you add 4550 plus 100, we get 4650. So that series is going like this. This slide again you have to find the missing number in number pattern. Okay. So the first number is 9416 and 8460 is the second number. Look at the difference between two consecutive numbers. Here are the difference is 1000. So that number is arranged in descending order, which means you have to subtract 1000 between the numbers. Okay, when you subtract 1000 from 8460, you will get the next term, that is 7460. Again, when we subtract 100 from this number, you will get 6460. By subtracting 100,000, you will complete your number pattern, this number pattern. Okay, I'm going to turn the next slide. Hope you get my concept. Okay, in this slide we have 3 questions. We will do by direct method. First one is, what number is 1000 more than 97,000? When you add 1000 in 97,000, you can do by adding. You will get 98,000, right? The answer of first question is 98,000. Okay, what is the number 100 less than 53,600? So you have to minus 100 from number 53,600. You will get 53,500, right? Question number 3. What number is 10 more than 16,330? Now you have 10 in this number. When you add 10 in 16,330, you will get 16,340. Students, today's lecture is ended here. That lecture is prepared by textbook page number 8. Student, I will come back with lecture number 2 of this week. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.